Hi, welcome to Go Science Do It Yourself Classroom series. Today we are going to unbox the Do It Yourself motor speed controller kit and let us see what we have inside the box. Inside the box we have a DC 4.5 volt motor, the positive and negative wires, along with this we have a 4-blade propeller, then we have a snap connector to connect the 9-volt battery. 9-volt battery is not a part of this project, it has to be procured separately. Then we have a PWM motor speed controller and with a switch which could control the direction like clockwise and anti-clockwise. So PWM stands for pulse width modulation. At the back of the board you could see we have 4 pins, power minus, power plus. That means we are going to connect the snap connector to connect the battery. Similarly we have motor plus and motor minus to connect the positive and negative terminals of the motor to the board, and then we also have a knob to connect it here to control the speed of the motor. Now let us connect each component and let us see how it works. I put everything aside. Okay. Now with this board you have a switch, you get a washer and you get a knob. So first let us connect the washer. Slowly rotate it. Connect the washer. So we are done connecting the washer. Now just take the knob and insert it. So this is basically used to control the speed of the motor. You could decrease the speed of the motor, you could also increase the speed of the motor. So first step we have completed with the first step. Now let us take the battery connector and connect it. Along with this kit you also get a screwdriver. So we are going to use the star screwdriver. Before we connect, make sure you are connecting everything at the right terminal. So power plus and minus we are going to connect the battery terminals. So this is power minus is the black wire which will go inside the terminal, and red is the power positive. So use the screwdriver. Terminal here on the first pin, and then I'm going to tighten the screw. Insert the wire completely inside and tighten the screw so the wire doesn't come out. Then we are going to take the positive terminal. So let us unscrew. Insert the positive terminal of the wire. See now I have connected power minus to black, power plus the red wire. So when I pull, it is strong enough. Now on the other 2 terminals let us connect the motor. So the motor plus and minus is here. We are going to connect it as per the board, but you could also connect anyway because we have the forward and reverse switch which will take care of both the directions. So the first is motor plus. So as per the board I am going to insert the positive terminal. Before that let us unscrew both positive and negative first. done with connecting all the components, and now let us insert the propeller to the motor. So I have connected the propeller. Now let us keep the screwdriver aside for a moment. Before you rotate or before you test, make sure that the propeller doesn't come in between any wires. And for demonstration, I am going to use a 9-volt battery. As already informed, 9-volt battery is not a part of this project. It has to be procured separately. So now let us connect the battery terminal. Connect the battery. So immediately once I connect, you could see the red light glows in the board, and if the switch is in center, the motor stops. And you could see the direction of the motor. So this rotates in anti-clockwise, this rotates in clockwise. So the single line rotates in clockwise and the double line on the switch rotates anti-clockwise. So now, to give you a better perspective, I am going to hold the motor, switch it on the clockwise direction, and now I am going to control the speed. As you can see, when I increase, the speed increases. Whenever I reduce the knob, I could control the speed of the motor. So now the motor is completely turned off, and slowly I am going to increase the speed of the motor. So this is for the clockwise, and if you push the switch to the center, the motor remains off. So despite moving the knob, this will not work. And if I want this to move it in anti-clockwise, I am going to push it to the anti-clockwise side and then slowly increase the speed of the motor. This kit works, and the connection is simple. Once we complete, safely remove the battery, and this is the final output. So this kit could be used to build many projects like a boat. Say for example, if you are building a boat, you could place the motor this way on the boat, so when the propeller rotates, it will push the model on the forward side. Similarly, for a car model, for a fan model demonstration, this could be used for multiple projects. You could also go through the instruction manual to see how this project do-it-yourself kit could be used effectively. Thank you for watching.